Ice. What's up? So, today, finished everything, dude. Everything, all my tracks are together. Everything's together. Everything's clean. Check it out. Put a trolley. Figured I'd have a little trolley track. Go right through here. So it'll be running all the time. I have these little men that pump it back and forth. And I have them cruising around on that line right there. Or some of the little widow cars. So, finished everything. Then I ran a line right down the middle. This middle track is dead. But instead of putting all the cars into a box, I'm gonna have them all up here so I can pick them out when I want them. Because it's slanted. So gravity flow is gonna bring that baby right down to me. So as I pick them out, they'll just keep coming down. No power needed. Because they're coming downhill. So I got all my feeders in everywhere. Even the yard. Everything. Figure it's like almost 300 feet of track in here. Crazy. I think I got 13 switches. So, but I'm having, ever since I started working in this room, the light's been flickering a little bit. So I gotta replace the breaker outside. Make sure no issues. All this is done. Yard. So everything's down. It's not live yet. Still dead. It's been 3 months. Almost exactly 3 months. 3 months and a few days to having carpet and nothing in here to this. Crazy, huh? I'm an insane dude. Psychopath. So fun. Cool. Until I have all the cars going and stuff. It's gonna be way cool. Got DCC and DC. DCC I hooked up, but it's still, haven't figured it out yet. Might be an issue with my stuff I got, or the plug, because I didn't get it all together. I kind of like pieced it together. I don't know if it's correct, but whatever. We'll get it going. I know I got DCC, or DC, and I got, what, 3 controllers, so to control the whole track anyhow, so I can goof with that until I figure it out. That's right. Oh well, it's been a lot of fun. It's been a blast, actually. Kind of a bummer that it's over. Well, it's not over, but I got what I wanted done as far as the track goes, but now scenery from that corner down and all the way down this, it's gonna have mountains. And then over here is gonna be city. Big old sky risers, like higher than the track, like up by that clock. It's gonna look crazy. Then I'll have my little trolleys going. And my little dudes. And it's gonna go through a little town that's in here. Or sky, or actually city. And then it's gonna go to mountains and snow and All kinds of cool stuff up here and all the way around. All the way around. It's gonna have mountains, and got this scenery thing I gotta put in here. The sky and all this stuff. It's gonna be cool. Raining today. Wait. Alright, well, tomorrow's a big day. I bring the metropolis to life. I guess you can call it a metropolis. It's gonna be pretty big. 9 by 9 room. I've got 300 feet of track in here. That's crazy. How can you do that? Well, I did it. It's cool. It's cool. Just hope I don't turn it on tomorrow and it'll blow up. I don't know if you guys seen the panel since I lit it up. I'll go over here and show you. Oh, might as well show you all this. I got my spaghetti down here. All my lines. Ready to go to my main lines. All my main lines. Tomorrow I solder them babies onto there. There. All these wires go to certain spots. I gotta make sure I concentrate and don't screw up. But whatever. Put a light strip behind everything. It's pretty cool. Check it out. So here's all my switches and stuff. Yeah, let's kill this light. Isn't that cool? And I can dim down. Just have them glowing. So it's gonna be lights through the whole thing. Everyone that you see these lights everywhere through the whole thing, all the way through the whole helix and everything. All those are gonna have lights on it. All those. That's why I had those cutouts for them. So pretty cool. Put in that gauge. Don't know if it works yet. It seems like I'm not getting power to that dude up there. No red light, no nothing when I turn it on. So this lights up. Doesn't do anything though. Whatever, I'll figure it out. I like to figure things out, so that's okay. I need something to go wrong. Well, that was terrible to say. Might blow up tomorrow now. Shit. Knock. Sweet. Alright, whatever. Okay, tomorrow, Metropolis comes to life. I think this is cool, man. What a cool thing to think of. See how it's gonna gravity come down to me? Shit, why put them all in a set of box when I can put them all out here? It's gonna be way cool. Hell yeah. Alright. Tomorrow's a big day. Hook all these wires up. Bring it to life. Right? Switch has still got to be done, so I got to do those over there. It's one of the last things I'll do. So we'll see if it comes to life tomorrow. All the controllers plus the controller for that. For one of those DCC. These are all DC. Figured I'd do sound. If I got DC, might as well, right? Hell yeah! Later. Peace. Look at my fingers. Whoa, dirty. Later.